Many benefits of garlic oil. You will be amazed to hear. Garlic has been used as food and medicine for centuries. Modern science confirms its antioxidant, anti-cancer, anti-inflammatory and cholesterol-lowering properties. Crushing or chopping fresh garlic promotes the release of alliinase. This enzyme helps convert alliin into allicin, a sulphur compound with potential health benefits. Garlic supplements, including garlic oil pills, contains large doses of allicin, are touted as a cure-all. Here we have listed a few of the health benefits of garlic. Try to incorporate them in your everyday life and stay healthy. Cardiovascular disease. Garlic cuts down the risk of heart attack and stroke by regulating blood pressure and high cholesterol. Garlic supplement doses must be fairly high to have the desired effects. The amount needed is equivalent to about 4 cloves of garlic per day. Lowers bad cholesterol. Garlic supplements seem to reduce LDL, the bad cholesterol, particularly in those who have high cholesterol. HDL, the good cholesterol, and triglycerides do not seem to be affected. Prevents Alzheimer's disease and dementia. Garlic contains antioxidants that protect against cell damage and aging. This may reduce the risk of Alzheimer's disease and dementia. Performance enhancer. Garlic was one of the earliest performance-enhancing substances. It was traditionally used in ancient cultures to reduce fatigue and enhance the work capacity of laborers. Detox. Garlic was shown to significantly reduce lead toxicity and related symptoms in one study. 3 doses of garlic each day even outperformed the drug D-penicillamine in reducing symptoms. Bone health. Garlic appears to have some benefits for bone health by increasing estrogen levels in females. One study in menopausal women found that a daily dose of dry garlic extract equal to 2 grams of raw garlic significantly decreased a marker of estrogen deficiency. This suggests that this supplement may have beneficial effects on bone health in women. Prevents cold. It is an effective remedy against cold. Heat 3 cloves of garlic in mustard oil and massage it into the body before bath for an effective protection against cold and flu. Controls acne. Garlic is rich in vitamin C, vitamin B6, manganese, selenium and other trace elements and is an excellent remedy against acne. A simple solution is to apply mud pack mixed with few drops of garlic oil on face for 10 minutes before rinsing it off for an acne-free face. Prevents skin lesions. Antifungal properties in garlic helps in fighting all forms of skin issues like eczema, psoriasis, candida and other skin conditions. Just apply mildly heated garlic oil on the affected areas once a day for a week and see the difference. Prevents dandruff and hair fall. High anti-inflammatory properties along with sulphur in garlic oil helps in calming inflamed skin and itchiness caused by dandruff. Regular oiling of scalp with garlic oil improves blood circulation, which helps in premature graying and hair fall. Controls toothache and tooth decay. Antibacterial properties in garlic oil helps in reducing bacterial infection of the gum, and its high sulfur content prevents tooth decay. One may get temporary relief from toothache by applying garlic oil on the inflamed gum area for 10 to 15 minutes before heading for a doctor. Prevents ear infection. Few drops of garlic oil in the ear will reduce pain as it has antibacterial properties. So, make sure you apply these simple hacks by including garlic and its oil in your diet and lifestyle for a disease-free life. And, since you have made this far of the video, please check out a wonder supplement in the link to the description below. Thanks for watching.